I absolutely love trees. Over the years I've made so many. I've made big ones, tiny ones, forest from twigs, a winter tree from wire, even a tree that lights up. I've even created tree characters. I've made trees inside little boxes and even houses inspired by trees. In this video, I'm showing you how I made my no-shed miniature autumn trees from a Hogsmeade Diorama. First, I designed a tree armature in Blender. It's a design I've used in a few of my projects before. And this time I printed it in various heights to see if I could make each tree look unique. I started by painting the armatures with a base coat of acrylic paint, followed by a layer of speed paint. Then I added a very light dry brush to bring out the details. Next, I sorted through some of my plastic foliage, testing the scale against the armatures. Using acrylic paints, I gave the foliage a variety of autumn tones: yellows, oranges, reds and browns. And of course I didn't forget to include some green trees. Autumn still has a bit of greenery. For the leaves I used PVA glue, dabbing it onto sections of the armature before dipping it into coloured flocking. After that dried, I completely saturated everything with diluted PVA glue to seal it in. This step takes patience. I let it dry for at least 24 hours, sometimes longer. Once the glue was set, I used Superglue to attach the leaf sections to the armature. You can even use the leaves themselves as mini armatures to create denser trees. I work from the top down, attaching smaller sections of foliage at the top and larger ones towards the bottom, aiming for a natural look. I'm really happy with how these turned out. I also experimented with dried flowers. I used their leaf sections and added some cotton batting for structure. I hoped the leaves would mimic branches from underneath. I think I might have overdone it on the flocking on these though. To make the trees more versatile, I added magnets so they could be easily removed for storage or swapped out for different seasons. For the bases, I used dry tea leaves for soil. And flocking for moss and grasses. And dried seeds to resemble fallen leaves. Everything was sealed with PVA glue to prevent shedding. And finally, I added some static grass around the edges to blend the tree seamlessly with my dioramas. Of course, I made sure to attach the magnets correctly for each base and diorama piece. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, bye bye.